జిల్లా అడిషనల్ కలెక్టర్ గారు అగర్వాల్ గారు మీరు సందేశం ఇస్తారు.
ఈనాటి బిఎన్ రావు ఫౌండేషన్ క్యాన్సర్ స్క్రీనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రాంలో వచ్చిన డాక్టర్ బిఎన్ రావు, డిఎంహెచ్ఓ కరీంనగర్ గారు, డాక్టర్ రజనీ గారు, డైరెక్టర్ చర్మేడ, Dr. Rajni, Dr. Vijayalakshmi, and all the respected doctors on and off the dais. Namaskar. Press, literate, and most importantly, all the patients who have come from across the Karimnagar and the paramedical staff of any hospital and the trust who are going through success. నాకు తెలుసు మీ అందరికీ 10 o'clock నుంచి వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ముఖ్య అతిథి గారికి స్పీచ్ కూడా అయింది. సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు టేక్ మచ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ టైం. జస్ట్ 2-3 పాయింట్స్ ఐ వాంట్ టు రేజ్. నేను కరీంనగర్ జిల్లాకు 8 months బ్యాక్ జాయిన్ చేశాను. అప్పటి నుంచి నా కనెక్షన్ విత్ హెల్త్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ వెరీ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్. వచ్చాను అప్పుడు కరీంనగర్ వాజ్ గోయింగ్ త్రూ outbreak of COVID second wave and then Omicron. At that point, we made it a point that entire Karimnagar should be doubly vaccinated. And I'm glad to share with all of you that Karimnagar was the first district in South India to have a drive loan. Not just the government team, but all of you also played a very, very important role. So big thanks to all of you. So now COVID or TB or dengue, they are all communicable diseases and they are an integral part of the agenda of government health department. Another important agenda is NCDs. They call it silent killers. Me and the doctor unnaru kabatti you know it better. So from 2009 onwards, the entire agenda, the direction of WHO, of Government of India and Government of States has gradually been shifting from NCDs towards from communicable diseases to NCDs as well, because diabetes, TB, cancer, they are becoming the silent killers of the nation. I was just going through a report. As per that report, in India, of all the cancers, 13.5% belongs to breast cancer. That is the biggest contributor to the cancer. And as Vinod garu chepparu, most young women are falling prey to this disease because of lack of timely screening and lack of awareness. Half of us don't know what this disease is, how it happens, and we don't screen it, especially a lot of small town girls. I come from one of the small towns, so I can. In that context, this event and this initiative by B.N. Rao Trust is innovative, and that is why I immediately said yes when he invited me for this program. Another reason why I said yes is because as Dr. Rajni introduced in the beginning, now both of my parents are president Rotary Club in their hometown. Akkada varu oka kottaga initiative start chesaru. They are running a mobile van for cancer screening. Our van lo they have 2 types of facilities. One is the pap smear testing and second mammography kuda oka van lo pettesharu, oka Volvo van lo. And that van is traveling across India. So it's a contribution of 2-3 clubs. Rotary Club in Maharashtra and MP. That van is traveling from Mumbai to Indore to Hyderabad. It's especially going to industrial areas, labors and testing and screening women free of cost. And it's really giving wonderful results. And that is the time I realized that education and health are 2 sectors which are the most important fundamental blocks for development of society. And in these 2 sectors, both government and private have to work hand in hand to achieve great success. So if both non-government organizations and the government together work in this direction, we'll be able to serve wonderful results. So as my DMHO also mentioned, after the screening, if you could please share the list of patients who are actually screening positive for this. For BPL families, from government side also will ensure that we refer them to NIMS and government institutions in Hyderabad so that they can get treatment free of cost. That will actually be helpful and an example of two sectors working together. I was just going through your foundation's booklet which started in 2017. You're doing a lot of work in direction of anemia. Anemia is another thing which I feel is a silent disease, especially for all adolescent girls, pregnant lactating women and all the women in general. As per National Family Health Survey 5, 55% of women in India are anemic. Taking that report in mind, మనము కరీంనగర్ జిల్లాలో ఒక ప్రత్యేకంగా డ్రైవ్ ప్రారంభించాము. అక్కడ మన పైలట్ బేసిస్ లో ఒక్క వారంలో అందరు గవర్నమెంట్ మహిళా ఎంప్లాయీస్ కి ఎనీమియా టెస్టింగ్ చేశాము ఫ్రీ ఆఫ్ కాస్ట్. సో స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆల్ రెవెన్యూ, మై VRAs, government teachers, ASHAs, Anganwadis, health, PHC doctors, including your DMHO and I. We tested all of them in 1 week, around 9,700 women we tested. So I'm glad to say that we could do the task in 1 week, but I'm sad to say that even in our small data, 70 or 60% of the women were anemic. And we all were the women who work for the government who are somewhere in the upper middle class part of the society. So think about the lower strata of the society. From there, we have planned to start this campaign called Anemia Mukt Karimnagar, where we are planning to test all women of menstrual age from 14 to 50 of the district free of cost. Every PHC and sub-center lo already vaadu daggara oka Celis meter anemia testing kit undi. Inka manamu procure chestunnam. And then we'll need all of your support to mobilize women in a big way, where we'll be testing them, giving them the pink tablets for 45 days and ensure that eventually, just like for cancer, our screening improves. We have to make women aware of nutrition and health and the anemia and how silently it's killing them. And how small interventions of better diet and attention can really improve the results. This is one thing I say everybody. Another thing that we have started here is called #Tuesday 10 minutes program. So we అందరికీ Anganwadi centers గురించి తెలుసా? In Anganwadi centers, we give food to small 0 to 6 age children and pregnant and lactating women. So every Tuesday, entire administration is going to each Anganwadi center and interacting with those children and pregnant and lactating women about nutrition and health. It is part of Poshan Abhiyan of government. In that aspect also, we are encouraging awareness about anemia in a big way. So that is another thing we are hoping that eventually we will lead towards a Kuposhan Mukt Karimnagar. So as a chief guest kuda nutrition gurinchi maatladadu. So that is another initiative that we are taking at our district wide level. Another recently an awareness drive that we have started is regarding women's delivery. So the good part is that in last 20 years, our country has come far in improving institutional deliveries. So we have definitely come far. And now we are focusing on healthy deliveries. And I am glad that we are getting a lot of support from all the gynecologists sitting here. And that's why when nobody was new to me. మీ అందరికీ face నాకు ఇప్పుడు. Now I'm familiar with all of you and I feel like that I know people. So it was a familiar environment for me. So మీ అందరికీ కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తున్నాను. మీరు చాలా సపోర్ట్ గా ఇస్తున్నారు and I know with positive contribution of all the gynecologists sitting here about their awareness to their patients, will be able to make a positive difference in the society in direction of a healthy normal delivery also. So with this again, I would like to congratulate the trust, all of you, for doing this campaign. మీతో నిన్న డిస్కస్ చేశాము. As a trust, you can also start some mobile van or some initiative so that your services can go far in rural areas of the district also. Congratulations to the hospital, entire paramedical staff, all the doctors and all the patients. చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు. జై హింద్.
విచ్చేసిన మహిళలందరికీ మరియు ఎన్ఏ స్టాఫ్ వారి సహకారం అందజేస్తున్నారు. మీరందరికీ అండ్ ప్రెస్ మిత్రులకి అందరికీ నా ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ని సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా చేసి మీ టైం వెచ్చించి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ సక్సెస్ చేసినందుకు మరొకసారి మా ఎన్ఏ హాస్పిటల్ తరఫు నుంచి డాక్టర్ బిఎన్ రావు ఫౌండేషన్ తరఫు నుంచి ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ధన్యవాదాలు.